Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you how to filter your Google Sheet data automatically. If you follow this method, you don't want to filter your data manually. So by following this method, you can automatically filter your data according to your given criteria. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, let's go to the video. Now this is my sample table. It has 3 columns: name, department and salary. So I want to add automatic filter function to A11 cell. Then I'll add relevant criteria to A8 cell like this. Now I'm going to type my function in A11 cell, equal mark, filter, then open bracket. Now you need to give table range. So here I am going to give my table range without heading row. Therefore my range is A2 to A6, right? Sorry, A2 to C6, right? Then comma. So I am going to filter these records according to the department. Therefore here I am going to give department column without heading row. So therefore the department column is B2 to B6, right? Now you need to apply the condition equal. So I am going to type my filter criteria to A8 cell. So this equals to A8. Yeah, that's all. Now I am going to close my bracket, then enter. So once you enter, you can see my data filtered according to the sales department. Now we have only one employee in sales department. Now if I add IT, what happens? If I enter IT, and then what happens? All the employees relevant to the IT department filtered here. So what happens if I enter HR? Then we have only one employee from HR department. So likewise, you can automatically filter your table records using this filter function easily. So there you don't need to use any manual filter process. Now that's all. So I think you understood. Now I think you got what I explained. Now that is it for today. For more videos like this one, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.